demo video for our GlucoRx AiDEX continuous glucose monitoring system, more commonly known as the GlucoRx AiDEX CGM. In this clip, we will be covering your most frequently asked questions. To begin, who is GlucoRx AiDEX suitable for? GlucoRx AiDEX is suitable for anyone over 14 years old who wants to continuously monitor their glucose levels without finger sticks, particularly patients with type 1 or type 2 diabetes. How big is the GlucoRx AiDEX CGM when fixed to the skin? GlucoRx AiDEX is extremely compact. The whole device is 35mm long, 21mm wide and 9mm high. Is GlucoRx AiDEX a flash monitor with a scan device? No. GlucoRx AiDEX is a continuous glucose monitoring system and does not require scanning. The GlucoRx AiDEX transmitter will automatically send readings via Bluetooth every 5 minutes to your app. Can you tell me more about the sensor glue and stickiness? I'm sure you'll be pleased to hear that we will provide you with a free overpatch to reinforce our device. We strongly recommend using this patch for best user experience. Where can I wear my sensor? You can wear GlucoRx AiDEX either on your abdomen or on the upper back of your arm. We would recommend the abdomen for better user experience, 3 to 8 centimeters away from the belly button and not on the belt line. How is GlucoRx AiDEX powered and can I charge the device? The power source for GlucoRx AiDEX is in the sensor and it does not require charging. The sensor battery will power the transmitter for 14 days before it needs replacing. How long is the activation after pairing the transmitter? You will need to wait for 1 hour for the sensor to warm up and for your phone to connect with the CGM. From that point, your CGM will then update the app every 5 minutes with a new result. How accurate is GlucoRx AiDEX? GlucoRx AiDEX has an overall system accuracy of 98.69% when compared to the venous blood glucose reference. The GlucoRx AiDEX also has an overall MARD of 9.08% when compared to the venous blood reference. How long do the sensors and transmitters last? Our GlucoRx AiDEX sensors last 14 days before they need changing. The transmitter will last 4 years. Unlike other devices you have used before, our transmitter is reusable. Please do not throw away your transmitter when you are changing the sensor. Can I share data? Yes, of course. You can share data with family, friends and clinicians. Does the GlucoRx AiDEX app speak to you? No, our app does not give audio feedback. Is GlucoRx AiDEX approved for UK sugar levels? Yes, GlucoRx AiDEX is a certified CE device. Is this device DVLA approved? Yes, as announced on the 15th of February, both flash and continuous glucose monitoring devices can now be used to take glucose readings. Is there a way to return or recycle used applicators? GlucoRx AiDEX sensor packaging can be disposed of in general waste. However, your applicator will still contain a needle. Once used, it must be discarded in a biohazardous waste bag or sharps bin. Once the sensor has been used, this must also be disposed of in a biohazardous waste bag or a sharps bin. Please do not throw away your transmitter. This is reusable and will last up to 4 years. What are the advantages of GlucoRx AiDEX in comparison to other CGMs? Would the GlucoRx AiDEX CGM link with an insulin pump? For complete specifications for GlucoRx AiDEX, please check out our website. In regards to a pump, at present, GlucoRx AiDEX does not link to a pump. However, we hope to have a hybrid closed-loop system with our GlucoRx Equal patch pump in the future. How much is GlucoRx AiDEX? All pricing and subscription prices are available on our website. If you are an NHS patient, please speak with your diabetes healthcare provider regarding a prescription for GlucoRx AiDEX sensors. Am I eligible for VAT exemption? People with diabetes are exempt from paying VAT. Be sure to click on the VAT exemption before you check out on the online shop. Does GlucoRx AiDEX require calibration to work? Also, when is the best time to calibrate? GlucoRx AiDEX is factory calibrated and does not require calibration to work. If you would like to calibrate GlucoRx AiDEX, please be sure to use the GlucoRx HCT meter for best user experience and enhanced accuracy. The optimal time to calibrate is first thing in the morning before consuming any food or drink, or when your sensor glucose level is stable. This is represented by one arrow pointing forward in the app. We would not recommend calibrating more than once a day or within the first 24 hours of sensor application. Is GlucoRx AiDEX waterproof? Yes, GlucoRx AiDEX is waterproof for up to 30 minutes in 1 metre depth. What if my smartphone is not on the compatibility list? This suggests that your phone model may not have been tested by GlucoRx yet. Have a look to see if you can download the GlucoRx AiDEX app on your smartphone before considering obtaining our GlucoRx AiDEX CGM. The GlucoRx AiDEX app is not working on my smartphone. Please ensure that your phone is displaying a 24-hour clock, not a 12-hour clock. What if my application site bleeds? In the unlikely event that your sensor has been inserted into a capillary, you may bleed. Apply pressure to the bleeding until it stops. If your CGM is showing a constant error when compared to your blood glucose results, replace the sensor. If the bleeding does not stop after a few minutes, you will also need to remove the sensor. What if my app is showing sensor stabilising after application? This suggests your cannula may not have been inserted into the interstitial fluid properly. If your GlucoRx AiDEX app keeps showing the sensor is stabilising screen after warm-up, wait up to 4 hours. If the problem persists after 4 hours, replace your sensor. How to avoid sensor malfunction. Try to avoid touching or knocking the CGM. Try also to avoid excessive motion or strenuous exercise which could break or damage the CGM during wear. I have tried to log into the GlucoRx AiDEX app, but it forbids my login. Error 403. Ask yourself, did I verify the GlucoRx email on time? Could this verification email be in the junk folder? Maybe try changing your password. Can GlucoRx AiDEX be worn through airport scanners? GlucoRx AiDEX can be worn through airport scanners, yes. To prevent signal loss, when you put your phone on aeroplane mode, ensure you enable Bluetooth. Can this CGM be worn in a sunbed? Yes, it can, but avoid direct contact with the sunbed. If you have any further questions or need further advice on our GlucoRx AiDEX CGM system, please do not hesitate to either visit our website, contact your local GlucoRx representative, or call through to our dedicated customer care team. Our number is 0800 007 5892. That's 0800 007 5892.